Alrighty, so the sun is super hot today. I'll try to make this quick. Alright, so made some progress on my car. It's to show you guys, it's a 90. Let's get a better view. It's a 97 EK Civic sedan. D15 in there, so been at it. Quick recap: this car blew up last year, I believe somewhere around October, November. Pretty much stock bottom end, lost connecting rod number two, I believe. Yeah, went out for the block, so pretty much just threw another stock bottom end together. D15B bottom end, D15 B7 rods, D15 pistons, ARP head studs, D16 Y7 head, so should have about a 10:1 compression ratio. Wow, it's hot. Alright, so yeah, so I have some 540cc injectors, eBay stuff, eBay wastegate, eBay manifold, eBay turbo. Well, basically I've gotten to this point, and yeah, so basically I've gotten to this point that I'm unsure what I want to do with the car. I have turbo setup, I have the eBay turbo setup, I also have a TDO4 turbo setup, which I also had running on about 13 or 14 pounds some time ago. Let's get out of the sun. Better, right. So at this point right now, I'm not sure what I want to do. I have always, okay, the dog is making a racket. So I have always wanted to do an NA setup on a D. Now D series generally don't make a lot of power, so D15 or D16, but I have a D15 now. I've always wanted to do some individual throttle bodies from a motorcycle. I've been thinking a lot about doing that now, but thing is, ITBs, individual throttle bodies, are a bit difficult to tune. Not that difficult, but I like the challenge, so I would have really liked to do that on this car, just to mess around. But the thing about it is that any D series just don't make a lot of horsepower. With the slightly higher compression ratio and the tuning, probably expect about 110, 115 wheel horsepower in a 2,400 pound car. That's not going to be quick, but again, it's going to be fun to tune. And also I may choose to do the turbo setups. Pretty much I'm undecided. I've pretty much grown bored with boost and pretty much grown bored with boost, so I may decide to do the NA, but the car are just so slow in the NA. Boost makes everything more fun and a lot more fun on the street, so I'm not sure. So yeah, just making an update video. Hopefully someone can put down in the comments what they think. I'm not sure. So we'll set up it on it now, but I can always rip it out and put an NA setup. Just takes a little while. Pretty much just have about a day or so into getting to this point. At this point I'm just missing just the axles and the suspension. Hook up the harness and hook up the harness, timing cover, and throw a battery on, and pretty much just start make another map. I cannot even recall where the issue for this guy is, so may just have to use another one and throw on a quick map to get it started. Go for that. So at this point I am not sure, NA or boost. Hopefully someone in the comments will share some, I guess, their thoughts, whatnot. Doesn't matter to me either way, just in it for the fun of it. Right, quick update video. So just gonna do it for today. I'm gonna get out of this hot sun, go have a shower and relax, and catch you guys in the next one.